I found a free AI tool that fixed my audio in seconds, and honestly, I wish I knew about this earlier. Because bad audio is one of the fastest ways to lose viewers, even if your content is actually good. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I take messy, low-quality audio and turn it into something clean, clear, and usable using a simple tool. If you create content, whether it's YouTube videos, podcasts, or even voiceovers, you've probably dealt with audio issues like background noise, low volume, or awkward silence you want to cut out. And most editing tools are either too complicated or require you to download heavy software. But what if you could fix all of that directly in your browser for free? That's where AudioCut comes in. It's a simple online tool that lets you trim, clean, and process audio in seconds without installing anything. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. First, head over to the website. I'll leave the link in the description. As you can see, the interface is very clean and beginner-friendly, so even if you've never edited audio before, you can still use it without any confusion. Now I'm going to upload a sample audio file. This could be a podcast recording, a voiceover, or even audio extracted from a video. And this one has a few issues, like unnecessary silence, bad takes, and parts one don't need. Here's where it gets interesting. You can easily drag the handles to remove unwanted sections, like silence at the beginning or end, or mistakes in your recording. This is especially useful if you're editing podcast episodes, cleaning up voiceovers, or preparing audio for your YouTube videos. Instead of going through complex timelines like in advanced software, everything here is simple and fast. You also get a clear waveform view of your audio, which makes it easier to see exactly where your audio peaks or drops. So instead of guessing where to cut, you can actually see it and make more accurate edits. Once you're done trimming, you can preview your audio to make sure everything sounds right before exporting. And when you're satisfied, you just export the file, and your cleaned audio is ready to use immediately. No complicated settings, no extra steps, just a smooth workflow from start to finish. Another thing I like about this tool is that it supports multiple audio formats like MP3, WAV, AAC, FLAC, and more. So whether you're working with music, recordings, or downloaded files, you won't run into compatibility issues. And the best part is that it processes everything very fast, so you're not waiting around for long exports. Now beyond just trimming audio, there are a few other useful tools built into the platform. For example, you can extract audio from videos, which is perfect if you want to repurpose content. Let's say you found a viral video and you only need the audio. You can quickly extract it and use it for your own edits or projects. There's also an audio converter, which allows you to switch between different formats easily. So if you need your file in a specific format for uploading or sharing, you can handle that in seconds. You can also merge multiple audio clips together, which is great for combining voice recordings, podcast segments, or different sound clips into one file. And if you're working on music or short-form content, there are tools specifically designed for cutting out highlights, like choruses or key moments. What makes all of this even better is that you don't need to install anything. Everything works directly in your browser, which means you can use it on almost any device, even low-end systems. It's also designed to be fast and simple, so you don't need any technical skills to get started. Another important thing is privacy. Your files are processed securely, and they are automatically deleted after processing, so you don't have to worry about your audio being stored somewhere. So whether you're editing a podcast, cleaning up a voiceover, creating content, or just doing a quick one-time audio task, this tool makes the process extremely easy. What I personally like is how it removes the friction from audio editing. You just upload your file, trim what you don't need, export it, and you're done. No learning curve, no complicated interface, and no wasted time. So if you've been struggling with bad audio or looking for a quick way to clean up your recordings, this is definitely worth trying out. I'll leave the link in the description so you can test it yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more tools like this to help you level up your content.